In a fascinating twist of fate, Johnny Depp's incredible portrayal of Edward Scissorhands almost went to none other than Tom Cruise. Can you imagine Tom Cruise with those iconic scissor hands? It's hard to picture, but according to Depp himself, Cruise was seriously considered for the role. However, in the end, Depp's unique and mesmerizing performance won over the hearts of both the director, Tim Burton, and the audience. But let's not forget about the other heavyweights in the running for this coveted part. Tom Hanks, Gary Oldman, John Cusack, William Hurt, and Robert Downey Jr. were all on the list of potential candidates. It's incredible to think about the talent that was vying for the role, but Depp's connection to the script and the character ultimately sealed the deal. For Depp, Edward Scissorhands was more than just a role. It was a pivotal turning point in his career. It allowed him to break away from his teen idol image and showcase his versatility as an actor. The emotional depth of the character and the beautiful storytelling captivated Depp, and he knew he had to fight for the opportunity. The collaboration between Depp and Burton didn't stop at Edward Scissorhands. They went on to create cinematic magic together in films like Ed Wood, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and Sweeney Todd, the Demon Barber of Fleet Street. Their partnership has become legendary in the world of cinema, and it all started with a scissor-handed outcast named Edward. So, while Tom Cruise fans may wonder what could have been, we can't deny that Johnny Depp's portrayal of Edward Scissorhands is a truly iconic and unforgettable performance. It's a testament to Depp's talent and the power of embracing unique and challenging roles.